changing the YouTube. Anyways, oh, Troy. There goes to here's Troy as an Amtrak. 351 and 3001.
Are you sure guys are in the right seat? Are you sure you're in the right?
Great train, there we go. Side back. 3001. I hope it's not entering yet. Wow, the three range is fast. Anyways, while the three coaster is being 15 minutes early, where is this? Yes, coaster is 15 minutes early. I don't know how. Do you know what the train is? This 3001 is my favorite engine. Oh, this is just his favorite. My favorite engine 3001, and it's my second favorite car, 351. So this train about I don't know how. So this is Coast 3002, 3001, and there goes Sapa Oceanside.
Track 768 southbound service, next and final stop, downtown San Diego.
Here we go. I'm in the count. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. No 6 stars. anyways, this is 650. This is Coaster Yasu signing off. See you guys later in the next video, and see you next time.